Gemini, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for April 28 to May 4, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. So, Gemini, let us see. Uy, passion. You're going to focus on your desires. Oo, yung mga gusto mo sa buhay mo. Can be anything, relationship, your craft, your business, your career. Wait, healing and true love come to me. Some of you are manifesting. Meron kayo manifest na romantic partner. Or, dahil sa naka-move on na kayo from your past, ito ay nag-o-open ng opportunity sa inyo for a new love to come in. Oh, 'di ba? You are healing eh. So, yung iba sa inyo, naka-move on na, tapos na yung inyong suffering, pain from your past relationship. And ready ka na mag-move on sa bagong person. O yung iba naman, pwedeng related sa career path, sa business na meron kayong naging mistakes in the past or hindi magandang experience in the past sa trabaho, career, or business. And now, na-realize mo na it's time to move on and try new things. Oh my God. You have the Empress. Empress is abundance, opportunities. This is also healing, loving yourself, self-love, self-care energy. And since this is ruled by Venus, Venus is the planet of money, abundance, luxury. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo meron kayong mabibiling luxury item. You have the Five of Cups, the King of Wands. I think meron kang mga missed opportunities na gagawan mo ulit ng paraan kung ma-recover mo. Example, meron kang plano before na mag-try ng negosyo. Kaya lang, meron kang pinagkagastusan, unexpected. So, hindi mo nagamit yung pera pang negosyo. So, ngayon, yung iba sa inyo, gagawa na kayo ng paraan for that, to try another one, to try your luck. Uy, aray. Meron ditong Three of Swords, Seven of Wands. May umiiwas sa inyo. Pwede meron person na mag-iiwasan kayo because hindi na kayo komportable sa isa't isa or nasasaktan nyo or nasaktan nyo yung bawat isa. I'm seeing friend. Meron kang super close friend na meron kayong hindi na pagkasunduan. Oh, this can be merong itinago, no? So, parang feeling mo, ikaw ay betrayed ng person na to dahil meron siyang itinago sa'yo. Na dapat alam mo rin sana. Oo nga naman. Kaya lang minsan, may dahilan rin sila ba't nila itinago sa'yo yun. Pwedeng to protect you. Pero syempre, ang lalabas niyan is parang binetray kanila kasi itinago sa'yo. So, I see you na iiwasan mo yung taong to. You will not talk to this person. Pwedeng kaibigan to eh. Or family member. You have the Sun in Scorpio in the 8th house. Yung iba sa inyo may pag-aaway pagdating sa pera or ari-arian. Lalo na kung pareho kayo may karapatan doon. You have Jupiter in Pisces in the 12th house. Jupiter is the planet of abundance, expansion. Some of you nagkakaroon kayo ng spiritual awakening. Oo. Na parang nagkakaroon kayo ng interest sa divination, esoteric, anything mysterious, mystical. You're stepping into your own power. I'm seeing some sort of yung parang obsession about sa isang bagay. Obsession na yung parang sa sobrang focus mo dun sa bagay na yun, ang iniisip na ng ibang tao is na-obsess ka dun. Oh my God, meron talagang secret. Nakakaloka. So, secrets will be revealed sa'yo this week. I feel like may involvement to sa, pwede rin sa relationship. Maaring meron kang malalaman na isang sekreto about a person na kilala mo or ka-relationship mo. Meron dito na merong yung tipong alam mo na may interest sa itong taong to, tapos na-realize mo na itong taong pala to ay nagkaroon ng relationship or connection sa isang taong kilala mo rin. Ang gulo, 'di ba? Workstation, experiment. Sa money, career, finances, meron kang aayusin na workplace, work area mo, pwedeng iba sa inyo work from home. Parang pwedeng redecoration or may bago kang setup, lalo na kung work from home ka. Or kung hindi naman, kung saan yung office mo or yung workplace mo, workstation, whatever you wanna call it, meron kang aayusin. Like, parang may decoration. The unknown brings wisdom when explored. Yes. So, mas magiging curious. Yan. Curious ka about a lot of things. Pwedeng meron kang pag-aaralan, i-research, can be related sa business na gusto mong simulan or isang source of income na gusto mong subukan. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, financially, pwedeng very tight, no? Yung person na inaasahan mo, hindi na nakakapagbigay sa'yo ng dinideserve mo. May deception ako. Some of you might be dealing with a person na parang minamanipulate ka. Or merong mga bagay na, yun nga, hindi sinasabi sa'yo. Pwedeng romantic partner, pwede rin tong kaibigan. Pero I think mas importante sa'yo na mag-heal kahit malaman mo pa to. You will focus on prioritizing yourself this time. Kasi kung laging ibang tao yung iniisip mo dati, ngayon, sarili mo naman. Oo, lalo na kung lagi kang binibigo ng ibang tao, yung expectations mo sa kanila, hindi nila na ibibigay, hindi nila na i-deliver. So this time, you're going to love yourself. Okay, so that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.